Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In previous video we have seen how we can add pages in WordPress. And in this video we will learn how to publish pages. The publish is used to make the pages available to all users wherein each user can view that particular page. Publishing a new page in WordPress is an easy process. So I am going to open previous page. So this is my page. Now if you want to publish, simply click on Publish button. After clicking on Publish, your posts get published for the user to see it. Let's see how my page looks. So this is my page. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video. And I will see you in next video. Goodbye.